Hey guys, only 8 months left for ECET. Is that enough to get a top rank? Don't panic. Most students waste time thinking I can't cover the syllabus, I won't score well. But if you plan smartly, 8 months is more than enough. Today I'm going to show you a complete 8 months ECET preparation plan including tricks, shortcuts and motivation to score high in maths, physics, chemistry and your core engineering subjects. Why is this plan so important? Bro, I know how ECET students struggle. The syllabus is huge, you feel lost in core subjects, you don't know where to start. Most students just solve random questions without a plan and waste 2-3 months without real progress. But with a smart 8-month plan, you can cover all subjects efficiently, focus on weak areas, improve speed and accuracy, score high in ECET. And the best part, you don't need to study 12 hours a day, just strategy plus consistency. Step 1, understand syllabus and weightage. Maths, matrices, partial fractions, trigonometry, complex numbers and more. Physics, units and dimensions, elements of vectors, kinematics and friction and more. Chemistry, atomic structure, chemical bonding, solutions and more. Core engineering subjects, depends on your branch. EEE, ECE, CSE, mechanical. Step 2, divide 8 months into phases. Phase 1, months 1 to 3, basics and theory. Learn all concepts clearly. Focus on formulas, derivations and key principles. Phase 2, months 4 to 6, practice and problem solving. Solve previous year's questions, focus on speed and strengthen weak areas. Phase 3, revision and mock tests. Full-length tests, identify mistakes and repeat tricky problems. Pro tip, use short tricks in maths, memorize key formulas in physics and focus on reaction mechanism in chemistry. By the way guys, if you're serious about ECET 2026, we created a free course for you. Full notes, weekly tests and monthly 1 mock test with real-time experience. Daily 3 topics explanation from different subjects, 10 practice questions with answers and explanation, free notes for all subjects, WhatsApp group for doubts and some special video classes. Link is in the description. Totally free, don't miss it guys. Step 3, time management and daily routine. Initially spend 3 to 4 hours on theory plus 2 hours on practice. Increase practice as you move forward. Example daily routine. 7 to 8 am common subjects. Property. 4 to 5 pm core engineering subject. 8 to 9 pm another core engineering subject. Step 4. Focus on strengths and weak areas. Phase 1. Understand concepts first. Avoid wasting too much time on weak areas. Phase 2 and 3. Focus more on weak topics and high weight chapters. Step 5. Shortcut and smart tips. Maths, formula sheet, quick tricks. Physics, diagrams, units, derivations. Chemistry, reaction mechanism, shortcuts, important equations. Core subjects, concept clarity, memorization, use solved examples. Motivation tip, consistency beats talent. Even 3-4 hours daily with proper planning will give excellent results. Quick recap of the 8-month plan. Understand syllabus and weightage, divide preparation into 3 phases, follow daily routine and manage time, focus on strengths plus weaknesses, use shortcuts, practice daily, stay consistent. Remember, ECET success comes from smart work plus consistency, not just hard work. Like this video, share with friends and subscribe for more. And don't forget our free ECET course link is below. Join today guys, you got this. 8 months consistent effort, smart strategy equals ECET success.